Hello children, how are you all? So children, today in our resource room class, we are going to see what plants give us. Why plants and trees are important for us. So let's get started. Plants are really important for us children. In fact, they are not only important for us, but also for animals and birds. Let's take a look at why these plants are important for us. What all do they give us? So take a look. Plants and trees give us fruits and vegetables. All kinds of fruits and vegetables that we eat, you get them from plants. Plants give us grains like rice, wheat and maize. Rice is चावल, wheat is गेहूँ जिसकी हम लोग चपाती खाते हैं, and maize is corn children. In Hindi you call it मकई, मक्की की रोटी जो आजकल आप लोग खा रहे होंगे ज़रूर. Plants give you pulses. In Hindi we call pulses दालें. So all kinds of pulses that you eat, you get them from plants. And then you get tea and coffee also from plants. Yes, there is a tea plant children which gives you tea, and then there are coffee seeds which are grinded to make coffee. Now something which we all love. No, not the laddus children, but what makes these laddus sweet? Yes, you guessed it. Sugar. Sugar you get from a plant called sugarcane. So even the sugar that makes everything sweet, your candies, your pastries, that also you get from plants. The next thing that the plants give you are the spices children. Spices are called masale in Hindi. These spices make your food delicious. So all kinds of spices except salt you get from plants. Why don't you go into the kitchen and take a look? Ask your mama to show you all the spices that she uses in her kitchen. Plants also give us oil children. There are different types of oils that mama uses in the kitchen, and sometimes we even put them in our hair. So coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, groundnut oil, there are lots of them, and all these oils are taken from plants. Some plants children are even used for medicines like tulsi. I'm sure you all have it in your home. So tulsi or basil is used as a medicine. Have you ever used a jute bag children? Or have you ever seen one? Jute is another product that you get from plants. So that's a jute bag that this little girl is carrying on her shoulders. Even the cotton clothes that you wear in summer season children, that also you get from plants. Yes. So first the cotton is taken from the cotton plant and it is spinned into a thread. रुई को धागे में बदला जाता है और उसके बाद उस धागे से कपड़ा बनाया जाता है. First, the cotton is spinned on a spinning wheel and is made into a thread like you see in this video. And then this thread is weaved into a fabric. Now children, plants not only give you things to eat and wear, but also things to smell. Yes, the flowers have a beautiful smell, and then some of these flowers are used in making perfumes. Flowers are even used for decoration, and sometimes they are even used for gifting, right? When you give bouquets to your teacher or to someone you love. Trees also give you wood, and this wood is used for making furniture. So, all kinds of wooden furniture that you see around you, sofa, almirah, table, chairs, all these are made with wood, and this wood you get from the trees. Plants also give us paper, children. So, all books and notebooks that you use is a plant product. A bamboo tree, children, is often used for making paper. That is why it is very important, children, that each one of us save paper. Do not waste it. Now, children, there is a special plant that even gives you rubber for your tires and for your erasers that you use in school. Yes, there is a rubber plant, children, from where you get rubber, and then this rubber is made into tires and slippers that you wear at home. And last but not the least, children, there is another tree called acacia. This tree gives you gum. Yes, and this gum is used for making your glue sticks that you use for sticking paper. So, I think the list is endless. The trees and the plants give you a lot of things. These trees and plants are food for animals too, and they give them shelter. Birds make their nest on the trees, and some animals live on them. So, children, it is very important that we save these trees and we plant more and more trees around us. Trees honge to hum bhi honge. Yes, the trees are the lives. With this, I'm going to close my class and see you next week. Bye bye, and you all take care.